The Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
It is so cold outside when you step out the door this morning. Temperatures feeling like the single digits for many of us, but the difference between this morning and yesterday morning, no rain, no freezing rain. So that's the good news. Don't have to worry about a lot of traffic issues, but just keep in mind there still are some slick spots on the roadway. So just take your time. Also want to leave some extra time so you can defrost your car because there's some frosty windshields out there this morning. Otherwise, a very windy start to the morning, very cold as well. Taking a look at our Denver City Live sky view, not a cloud in the sky, but you can faintly see those flags flying. That's because winds are sustained anywhere from about 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's bringing in some colder air this morning. These are the actual temperatures. Temperatures are into the teens and 20s for many of us with these windy conditions out of the northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It feels so much colder than it actually is. Temperatures right now feeling like the single digits for many of us. Post right now feeling like 20 degrees, but feels like 8 degrees in Lubbock. So you want to make sure that you are bundling up, wearing the layers, scarves, hats, and jackets. And gloves will definitely be needed because any exposed skin could definitely get some hypothermia and some frostbite. So just something to keep in mind. Good news is high temperatures this afternoon are going to warm up a lot warmer than we saw yesterday. Temperatures this afternoon going to get up into the 50s and even some upper 40s. Tonight's going to be another cold night, but then we'll be watching for some warmer temperatures on the way. Even by tomorrow, we're going to be noticing as temperatures will quickly rise up into the upper 50s and lower 60s before our next front moves on through. That's going to drop our high temperatures, and you'll see what that'll do to our temperatures over the next couple of days. But first, taking a look at your trick-or-treating forecast for tonight. By 6 o'clock, temperatures will be into the 40s and 50s, and then by around 8, 9 o'clock, temperatures will fall into the upper 30s and lower 40s, with those windy conditions going to feel a little bit colder than it actually is. So something to keep in mind. Still want to make sure you are bundling up the kiddos. Thankfully, though, not going to be as cold as we're waking up to this morning, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, a very nice couple of days, about 54 today, 62 tomorrow, but then check out Saturday from that front. 54 degrees. Good news is after that, that's when we get that really warm air on the way. By Sunday, temperatures into the upper 60s, and then by Monday into the mid 70s, about 76 degrees by next week. Looks like our low temperatures will also slowly warm up from there as well, so something to keep in mind. For today, though, it's going to be a nice one for our Halloween forecast. 54 degrees under abundant sunshine, a really nice one to get outside, do any Halloween festivities. But just keep in mind tonight it will be chilly for trick-or-treating. Otherwise, the next 7 days looking like it will remain dry, not really expecting any rainfall over the extended forecast. And then we'll slowly get that warm up on the way. Monday really going to be a nice day. But just remember to bundle up not only this morning, but tonight for trick-or-treating as well.
Yeah, don't want to forget that, because if you head out the door early, it's not going to be too bad, but you don't want to get caught up later with some sleeveless costume, and then it's going to be pretty chilly tonight once that sun goes down. So
yeah, exactly. Once that sun sets, it gets so cold.
Yeah.